Alright, blessed love everybody, you know, say DJ Blue from Team Blue there, isn't I say so? You know there, when you see me sit down like this, you know, say it's another my opinion time. So they are pre some stuff, right? And I've been thinking, the last thing I did say one day is like about how can you sell something that you don't own? And we'll continue upon that for a minute. Now, I would really like for anyone looking at this to take a small look into what I'm saying and don't take my stupid opinion for it. You just go and look and then maybe you will see what I am trying to say. Yeah? Now, I saw a video of on YouTube where you have this this Jamaican program. What's his name again? Ilangoli Rider. Who remember this Jamaican stuff, Ilangoli? I don't know if it's still going, but it was a very informative thing. And I've learned, you know, they say a thing with them called Germantown, which I don't think many Jamaicans know about these German towns and all of that stuff. And the information is right there, you know? Like, when I watched it, I was like, damn it, never know, say. After you said that we get independence and we have free slaves, yeah? Now, and the white folks got worried that we could rebel and could do all kind of stuff, so they decided to bring in other white people to mix and mingle to make sure, say, oh, certain things go alright, you know? So they brought in Germans and all kind of other people and gave them lands and settled them in. So it go back to the point where I was trying to make to you guys before that. How can you sell what you don't have? Because it wasn't ever turned over to you. None of the plantation ever turned over to you. You never own one of them. None of what made the money in Jamaica, you still don't own it. So how can it be turned over to you? But while listening to my opinion, I'm going to leave the link. I'm going to put the link in the bio below. So if you are engaged by any means or willing to watch and to do a little bit of research for yourself, because I'm not here to do the research for you, because it's for enlightenment. And then sometimes you'll feel so good when you find out or find out or learn something new, and you can say, hey, I didn't know this. And I am daring you to learn something that you didn't know. Wake up. Understand me? Because when you're woke, the tricks won't be as funny as the tricks are today. You won't take the tricks as serious. And you will do a lot of things different. But guess what? No? Remember, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down there. And then I'm not going to say down there again, right down there. I'm going to put a link to a YouTube video that you should watch. You might be Jamaican, you might know this, or you might not know this, but food for the thought. Watch it. My opinion. So the next time, you know, DJ Blue there, you know the thing. You know that's something I got? Look out for the next one, because sometimes I just sing and chat pay foolishness. But yeah, you know it go. Gone. Do you own Jamaica? What part of Jamaica do you own? And why can't Jamaicans profit from Jamaica? Why is it that everything a Jamaican does, it's a problem? But if anyone else in the world does it, and does it exactly like a Jamaican, it's not a problem. Why is it if you want to own something in Jamaica, if you want to own a piece of Jamaica, if you want to start a business that will make more people get out of poverty, it is a problem? Think about it, look on it, check it, and then if anything, if I'm wrong, if I'm right, if you don't like me, just leave a comment down there. See you next time, same place. Bye!